Hey guys, Spinifex Left Hand here. I haven't uploaded a metal detecting YouTube video for probably more than a year now, and as such my subs have dropped away, the comments have dried up and the statistics have flatlined. But I did open up my channel the other night and there is a single solitary comment from a good mate, Jimmy Mayer, who hunts out of California in the US. A lot of you would know Jimmy. He runs a quality operation over there and has great success with his AT Pro in the river. Anyway, I'll show you this comment from Jimmy because it actually inspired me to get my detector out, dust it off and go out for another hunt. More importantly, it's I guess inspired me to upload another video. So I'll show you that comment from Jimmy now. So there's Jimmy's comment there. It's short and sweet. Simply says, I'd personally like another video from you. All the best to you, Chris. And I got to tell you, that's all the encouragement I needed to get out and have another hunt. And hunt I did. I must have walked 5 bloody kilometres up that beach. I hunted the high dry sand, the towel line, the broad area of wet sand, and even risked life and limb by getting into the water with the crocodiles. And this is reward for effort. Just 7 or 8 coins for a dollar value of almost $7. I did find a well-crusted bling ring. You can see that it might have been pretty once. It had some little glass stones in it. And you can just see maybe a tiny little bit of the gold plate shining through. But not to be deterred, I thought today I'd head out to the river, much like Jimmy does, and see if I had any further luck down there. On the front steps of my property now, well, I'll drive over to the base of that mountain range where there's a beautiful stream runs through the rainforest there, and we'll see if we can't find anything decent. This is a tribute, a memorial tree to all the dogs that have been taken by crocodiles in this river. I guess the good news is, my photograph isn't up there yet. So that's a 76.77. Usually that's a $2 coin on the AT Pro, or a piece of can slaw, which it is on this occasion. If you look down here, I think I can see a little thing that looks like 925. Go under and have a look. And that is a very tiny little ring. Beautiful. Back home for the checkout now. There's the junk. My parole officer should take a couple of hours off my community service. And there's something that the cat dragged in, a stick insect. So to the better finds, just 2 $1 coins today. A very fine chain, it's probably just made out of light metal, and a emblem probably off a Rheem hot water service. And of course the little silver ring stamped 925. Now just for comparison, about 2 years ago in exactly the same spot I found this ring. A huge chunker of a 925 silver ring, stamped with the number 13. And by comparison, this looks like it would have belonged to a Hell's Angel. And the little ring, well, I suppose to just a little angel. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you especially to Jimmy Mayer for encouraging me to get out again. And I'll catch you again next time. Cheers.